Imagine your typical virtual meeting. Before you even log on, you're likely digging through separate calendar apps and chasing lost email threads. It's a fragmented process that often stalls momentum before the call even begins. Microsoft Teams functions as a unified engine for collaboration, designed to integrate these disjointed steps into a single, cohesive workflow. Understanding this engine requires looking past the video call itself and starting with the architecture of the team's calendar. Controlling the foundation of a meeting allows the organizer to shape the entire event's trajectory long before the camera turns on. During the scheduling phase, you can assign structural roles, like designating co-organizers and presenters, to establish clear governance over the meeting. You can also configure priority notifications to bypass daily digital noise, ensuring your most crucial stakeholders receive an immediate alert. The system's most significant pre-feature is the ability to inject a loop component directly into the calendar invite, allowing participants to build the agenda collaboratively. This creates a live document where the group manages task delegation asynchronously. By the time the call starts, the heavy lifting of preparation is already done. By front-loading the organization, you arrive at the start time with finalized roles and a clear, group-approved agenda. In the moments before going live, presenters enter a dedicated green room. This private backstage allows the team to test audio, review notes, and coordinate strategy away from the attendees waiting in the digital lobby. When the meeting begins, the loop component from the invite automatically surfaces as a live, simultaneous workspace on everyone's screen. Participants can take collective notes and assign real-time action items without ever leaving the video window. This integration transforms the meeting into a centralized workspace where documentation and discussion happen at the same time. To manage live data and accessibility, the platform utilizes AI-driven live transcription. The engine captures spoken words and attributes them to specific users, creating an accurate, real-time digital record of the entire session. For larger workshops, organizers can deploy breakout rooms, segmenting a single session into up to 50 focused microgroups. You can shuffle participants, empower specific room managers, and use countdown timers to keep these smaller discussions within strict time limits. These tools provide macro control over large audiences, while the AI manages the micro documentation in the background. Often, the momentum of a meeting disappears the moment the call ends, and the participants disconnect. The Teams ecosystem addresses this by using Copilot AI to automate the post-meeting workflow. Copilot scans the raw transcription data to generate an intelligent recap, condensing hours of dialogue into concise modules. This recap identifies core themes, outlines decisions, and builds a searchable timeline for instant information retrieval. Automating this summary phase preserves the intellectual capital of the meeting without requiring manual administrative work. Finally, we have to track the action items that were typed into those loop notes during the live call. These tasks automatically sync outward, populating Microsoft Planner boards and individual to-do lists. This creates an unbroken chain of accountability that connects the initial calendar invite directly to final project execution. Mastering this lifecycle turns a standard video call into an automated engine that actively pushes an organization's workloads forward.